So, my dear students, today we are again here for our practice. As you know that learning language is the matter of practice. As more practice you make, you become fluent. Make it clear. So that is why I apply different types of ways, different types of methods to make you practice. Sometimes I give you any topic and you have to speak upon that topic, and sometimes we have an interaction session. And interaction means to say and to listen. Okay, you can ask some questions, you can talk on anything. So yesterday I gave you a model and the performance of all was very nice. I think you would have seen, you would have watched your video that had been uploaded on YouTube. And today again we are here, but today you have to start today's interaction. And first of all, I have got the name of Anjali first. It is a good thing. So Anjali, and you all will be given 2 minutes time. Okay, and
Okay.
in this 2 minutes time, you have to ask your questions, and I will also try to talk to you in between. So come on, Anjali, we start with you.
Yes, sir. Who is your best friend?
Uh, I myself is my best friend. You know,
Which is your
and you
favorite color?
and do you like your friends?
Yes.
Who is your best friend?
So many.
So many best friends.
Yes.
Best friends are not so many, beta. Best. Okay. Next thing, what did that you want to ask me? Come on.
How do you learn English?
By practice. You know, I learned this language when I was in 8th class,
Who
about
teach you
43 years
English?
ago. Yes, come on. Next question.
Who teach you English?
Who taught you English? My mathematics teacher.
Yes.
Yes. And
But
do you know English?
yes.
Do you learn it?
Yes.
Where do you learn it?
From Rajesh. G.
Okay,
Sir.
very nice. Nice understanding. Yes, come on. Carry on your questions.
Which is your favorite color?
Color, gray color.
Green.
Gray.
Why green?
Gray, not green. Gray.
Why gray?
I don't know why, but it looks very nice to my eyes. Why, I don't know. And which is your favorite color?
Black and pink.
Why?
Because this is a K-pop idol, I like this.
Oh, you know the reason, but I don't know the reason. Yeah, time is over. Very nice interaction. Shabaz, beta. Keep it up. Yes, now I am calling Riyansh. Come on,
Yes, sir.
Riyansh.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How are you, beta?
Sir, I am good. How
Ask
are
me
you?
anything. Your time is going on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Uh, from how much years for you started to teach English?
When I was 25 years old in 1993.
When were you born?
When I was born in 1968.
Uh,
You know one thing, that your father was my student.
yes, sir, I
That
know.
time, and my best student, my favorite student. And he was not only my favorite student, but he was the favorite students of all the teacher. He is very nice boy. He is very nice boy, yeah. Yes, come on.
Uh, which school do you go for teaching?
For teaching in Adarsh Vidya Mandir. First I went to Adarsh Vidya Mandir.
Then now where are you?
Now I don't. I go nowhere. I take only my online classes. Do you like study?
Oh. Yeah,
Do you like teachers?
yeah,
Okay. What thing do you like the most? Study or playing?
both.
Both. Very good. How long do you study?
Uh, in Saturday, Sunday, like 1 hour or 1.5 hour
How long?
or two
One
hours.
and a half hour. And how long do you play?
Others 2 hours.
2 hours. Study only 1.5 hour and play 2 hours.
What?
Very good. Shabaz beta, your time is
Oh,
over. Very good, very good. It has been recorded, beta.
not
Yes.
2 hours. Not 2 hours.
Okay. Yes,
I
now.
don't play 2 hours.
Okay, beta. Okay. 3 2 hours. Very good. Shabash. Yes, come on, Pinky.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
How are you?
I am fine. Better than you.
What is your favorite place?
Favorite place? My home. There is no place better than my home.
Why?
Because home is a different thing. The peace you get at home, you can get nowhere. And which is your favorite place, madam?
Mathura Basan.
Oh,
Mathura.
Mathura. Very good. You are a religious girl. Too much religious girl. Okay. Do you live there?
Sorry, sir.
Do you live there? Where do you live?
No, no. I live in Jagatpura.
Oh, so you are the devotee of Lord Krishna. Who is your favorite god?
Krishna.
Krishna. Okay. Yes. Talk to me.
Okay. What is your favorite food?
Food. Simple food.
Like
Vegetables. Vegetables. Pulses. Pulses bole to dal. I like dal. Pulses too much. And simple chapatis, rotis. That's it.
do you like poha?
Yes. Why is a great thing? Yes. What do you like in eating?
Mm, chole kulche.
Chole kulche.
Yes.
I thought you like to eat others. Okay, chole kulche. Very good, very good. Can you cook? Can you prepare chole kulche?
No, no.
Do you know that which state belongs to chole kulche?
No sector.
Okay, time is over.
Okay, time is over.
Shabash.
Okay.
Nice interaction. Keep it up. घबराओ मत. Yes, come on, Natasha. Take it
Yes, sir.
easy. मस्त रहा करो एकदम मेरी तरह. समझ गए ना आप? हाँ.
How are you, sir?
I am fine. And you?
I am fine, sir. Also
Very good.
fine.
Very good. Shabash. So what is going on
What
these
time?
days? Sorry. Yes, yes. Come on, come on.
What time do you get up?
Early at about 5.
Okay.
I think it is good to leave our bed early in the morning before rising the sun.
What is your daily routine?
Daily routine, I get up, then I go to Jawar Circle, and there I take exercises. I for about 1 hour, then come back, take my bath, do my daily routine. I do worship, and till 11 I become free. Then I have no work. Formally, I have no work, and I do whatever I like. I prepare my teaching materials, and then in evening from 5 my classes start till 8:30 or 9.
Okay.
Yes,
Do you like go to temple?
yes. Temple is a very great place. Whenever I get any chance, I go there. And do you go to temple
Yes, sir. Monday to Saturday.
daily?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which temple do you go?
Sir, nearby.
Okay, very good, very good. Hmm. Yes,
Yes, sir. Your favorite food?
food. Food is simple. That I have told to someone else. Simple
Your
vegetables,
favorite
dal.
color?
Eh?
Your favorite color?
Color is grey.
Okay.
हाँ. ओके, टाइम इज ओवर नताशा. वेरी गुड, शाबाश. अभी 2-4 दिन में बिल्कुल खुल जाओगे. थोड़ा सा है ना, सुन देखा है अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर देखनी है आप लोगों को एक बार. ये बहुत बेनिफिशियल रहेगा आप लोगों के लिए. दिस इज आल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ लर्निंग. यस, कम ऑन अनवी.
Sir, what
यस,
is
सॉरी बेटा, योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर. मेक इट ओके. A few minutes ago it was okay. Sit
अब
at
आ
that
रही है
place.
सर?
आ रही है पर वो प्रॉपर नहीं आ रही है. एक जगह बैठ जा, वहीं जाके. पहले वाले बैच में जा बैठी हुई थी, पता नहीं कहाँ का तो भागती फिरती है बंदरिया सी. वहीं जाके बैठ जा जहाँ बैठी हुई थी पहले उस वाले बैच में. चल.
बैठ गई.
हाँ, अरे अंदर बैठी थी ना तू.
सर वो तो मैं अपनी और आ गई.
और रात में ऐसी आती रहती जाती रहती है तू. हैं, तू भी गांवों की बिजली की तरह हो गई. चल, कम ऑन, स्टार्ट कर फटाफट से.
Sir, what? Sir, from Bharti कैसा है आपने उसका
Today
कलर?
your voice is not clear. Make it clear, then come again. Now I am calling Khushi. After Khushi, you will be called. Okay, Khushi Gujar.
Yes, sir. How are you, sir?
I am fine, beta. Thank you. And you? What about you?
I'm fine.
Very good.
What are you doing these days?
These days, nothing. I take my classes.
Do you watch TV?
Yes. I
What do
watch
you
TV.
watch TV?
Mostly,
On TV.
there are two types of programs that I watch on TV. First, I like to watch news channels where I can get the news of all the world, and then when I see that there is no news, then I go to movie channels, and there I watch movies.
Okay.
Do you like to watch TV?
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good. What do you watch?
Mm, serials.
Serious? Can you tell me the
Movies.
name? Movies? Which types of movies?
Mm,
Comedy movie,
हाँ,
movies,
comedy
comedy
movies.
movies you like the most. Okay, very good, very good. Shabash. Carry on.
Mm. Do you have computer?
Yes, I have a laptop.
What do you do on the computer?
I take my classes. I prepare my material. Yes.
Do you eat food with your family
Why not?
daily?
Sometimes, but it is not necessary. Mostly I eat alone. All have their different time, so that is different matter. Hmm.
Do you
Food?
have sister?
Yes, I have sisters. I have 3 sisters. All are younger to me. Hmm.
What, sir?
All are younger to me. छोटी है मेरे
Okay,
से.
sir.
I have 3 sisters. All are younger to me. Okay, time is over. शाबाश, घबराए मत करो बिल्कुल भी. घबराना किस चीज
Okay,
का है,
sir.
डरना किस चीज का है? डर हमारे अंदर ही होता है और कहीं नहीं होता. इसको निकाल के बाहर फेंको, क्योंकि डर के आगे क्या है?
ठीक है.
जीत
जीत है.
है. बस डर हमारे अंदर होता है, कहीं नहीं होता. डर बाहर, कोई डर नाम की कोई चीज नहीं दुनिया में. ये हमने अपने अंदर ही पैदा कर रखा है जबरदस्ती का. इसको खत्म करो.
Okay,
ओके.
sir.
यस, कम ऑन विपिन. अनवी आ गई क्या? अनवी आ जा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, आ जा.
Sir, what is your house color from outside?
Outside white color, white and chocolate color. Inside I think cream color.
Sir, how many floors are in your house?
Sorry, आवाज ठीक करो थोड़ा, तुम्हारा कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉपर नहीं आ रही. बोलो.
How many floors are in your house?
How many floors?
Yes, sir.
2 floors. Ground floor and first floor.
Floor, your
बेटा आवाज बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे गूंगी सी आवाज आ रही है. इसको ठीक कर दे रही. ऑडियो सिस्टम गड़बड़ हो रहा है. रिजॉइन कर ले तू, मेरे को छोड़ करके दोबारा से आ जा. एक बार और फिर आ जा मेरे पास. यस, नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग विपिन. कम ऑन विपिन.
Yes, sir. What is your room color?
My room color is cream color.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school because of the children. But the way they are taught, I don't like that here. Yes.
When
Do
do
you?
you take online classes?
Sorry?
When do you take online classes?
From 5 to 8:30. Do you like school? Honestly, reply honestly.
Yes, sir.
Do you like school?
Yes.
Do you like to go there?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Good boy, nice boy. He likes school. Okay, very good. Yes. What do you do in school? What do you do in school?
I do study in school.
Very good, very good. Yes, come on. Ask your questions.
What is your favorite color?
Color, grey color.
Do you like God?
I worship God. I like God. I love God. I
Name?
am because of God. You are because of God. That God is everything. Yes. And you, do you like God?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Do you worship?
Yes.
Do you go to temple?
Yes.
Very good. Shabash. Yes. Carry on.
Sir,
अरे रुक जा इसको करने दे पहले, फिर आता हूँ तेरे पास. हाँ.
What is your favorite place?
My home. But if you are asking in other sense, I can tell you that in Rajasthan I like Udaipur the most, and in India I like Dalhousie, in Himachal Pradesh the most. Thank you Vipin, your time is over beta. Next
Okay,
time you
sir.
will be given more time. But nice conversation, nice interaction. Keep it up. Focus को और बढ़ाओ थोड़ा सा. Okay. So now I am calling
sir,
Simran.
sir,
Yes, Anvi, come. आजा.
do you like to run?
बेटा तेरी आवाज पता है, आवाज तो आ रही है पर ऐसे बहुत घूं सू ऐसे आवाज आ रही है बेटा, जैसे बहुत तेज आवाज चल रही हो. कहाँ पे कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या है? अब ये तेरे माइक में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है या कुछ गड़बड़ है? इसको ठीक कर बेटा. देखो ऐसे बहुत तेज आवाज चल रही हो, आंधी आ रही हो, ऐसे लग रहा है. ऐसे आवाज आ रही है तेरे फोन में बेटा. सिमरन तू आजा बेटा, जब तक आजा, फिर ट्राई करता हूँ मैं तेरे को. आजा बेटा सिमरन, आजा. Come, Simran.
Yes, yes, sir. How are you, sir?
I am fine, beta. And you?
I'm fine.
You are also fine. Very good. You are looking fine. Good.
Um,
Yes.
uh, how much how much water are you drink in a day?
Do you drink 2 liter, 3 liter? I have no counting, but I drink much water. And do you drink
Okay.
water
Who?
daily?
Yes, sir.
Daily? How much?
Mm, 2 bottle.
2 bottle? Yes. Hmm.
And who is your favorite person?
Person? Me, myself. Hmm.
And who was your favorite teacher in your school?
Very good. Very nice question. My favorite teacher, the one who taught me English, Mr. Badri Prasad Chaudhary. Now he is retired. He was my mathematics teacher. But when I call his name, I feel proud. Yes, come on. ये तो स्टैचू हो गई. हेलो. गई कनेक्टिविटी इसकी. हेलो. हेलो. कहाँ गई ये? जल्दी कर बेटा, टाइम जा रहा है तेरा. 10 सेकंड बचे हैं बस. हो गया ये टाइम. ओके सिमरन, डायरेक्शन के बेटा कोशिश करते रहो. बेटा हो
सर
गया.
अचानक से नेटवर्क चला गया था।
नहीं है, फिर भी बहुत अच्छा था तेरा, है ना?
सर कनेक्ट कर लिया तो वो दीदी का कनेक्ट हो रहा था तो दीदी पानी पूरी खाने चले गए तो मेरा
ओ ये है बीमारी. कभी पानी पूरी खाने चले जाते हैं, कभी छोले भटूरे खाने चले जाते हैं.
हाँ सर।
कोई बात नहीं है, फिर भी बहुत अच्छा था तेरा. 10-20 सेकंड का रह गया, कोई बात नहीं, अगली बार देख लेंगे. मीनू आ जाओ.
सर
हाँ अनवी 2 मिनट रुक बेटा. मैंने इसको बुला लिया, टीचर को बुलाऊंगा इसके बाद. मीनू
सर रियांश का माइक ऑन है.
रियांश माइक बंद करो बेटा, अपना माइक बंद करो. सब अपने अपने. मीनू के अलावा किसी का माइक चालू नहीं रहेगा. यस कम ऑन.
हाउ आर यू सर?
आई एम फाइन बेटा, थैंक यू. एंड यू?
आई एम आल्सो फाइन. डू you go morning walk daily?
Yes. I go for morning walk. Yes.
Which places do you visited till now?
Where? In Rajasthan or in India?
All over.
All over. First you can say that in Rajasthan I have visited Jaipur. I live in Jaipur. Jaipur, Bharatpur, Dausa, Karoli, Alwar, Sikar, Junjunu, Churu, Udaipur, Bikaner, है ना, and Pali, and there are so many. Ajmer. There are so many districts I have visited, and in India I have visited a few states like in Rajasthan I live, Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and these states I have visited. And in India I have visited many. Delhi I have visited many times. So I like this thing very much, to visit different places. And you?
Okay.
Do you like also to visit different places?
Yeah.
Which places have you visited by now?
I visited Agra, Jaipur,
Shabash.
Sikar. That's it, sir.
Very good, very good. What you like the most in Jaipur?
I like the culture and places are like Jal Mahal,
Very good.
Hawa.
Very nice interaction. शाबाश बेटा. Keep it up. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसे ही करना होता है, और क्या है. बस धीरे धीरे खुल जाओगे. जब थोड़ा सा रोजाना करेंगे, 2-4 दिन में करेंगे तो बात ये है कुल मिला के एक्चुअली लैंग्वेज इज द मैटर ऑफ प्रैक्टिस ओनली, नथिंग एल्स. कम ऑन अनवी.
Yes, sir. आवाज आ रही है सर?
आ रही है बेटा, बोल.
Sir, what is your favorite thing? What you do in Jaipur?
What is your favorite?
Think what you do in Jaipur.
My favorite thing is remaining free and 3 or 4 hours taking class, and this is my favorite thing. And I also do these things. I take classes, I train the people, students like you, to make them able to speak English. Okay, where are you right now?
Sir, I am in my new house.
Okay, very good. Where is your new house?
Sir, in Indira Gandhi Nagar.
Okay, very good. Yes, beta.
Sir, how many siblings do you have?
Actually, we were 5, but my elder brother is no more. So right now we are only 4. One, me, and my 3 sisters. And how many siblings are you?
Sir, 3.
3. Okay. Yes, beta.
Sir, do you like to go Bangalore?
I don't like to go Bangalore, but if I need it, I would go there. Particularly Bangalore,
Sir, what
actually, I
is your
don't like cities. I don't like crowdy places. If I get any chance to go freely anywhere, I would like to go to mountains, to hills, to hill stations, where there is nature. And do you like it? Do you like natural places,
Yes,
Anvi?
sir. Yes, sir.
Have you ever visited out of Rajasthan to any place?
Yes, sir.
Which?
Yes, sir.
Which?
Sir, Delhi, Patiala,
Oh,
Shimla.
very good, very good, very good, very good. Shabash, your time is
Dehradun,
over.
sir.
Time is over. Your interaction was very nice. Keep it up, beta. Shabash. Yes, come on now. I'm calling Garvit.
Sir.
Huh.
Yes, sir. Do you like to do driving?
Yes, I like driving, but not in cities, on highways. Yes. Do you know how to drive car? Hello? कनेक्टिविटी इसकी भी खत्म हो गई.
No, sir.
तो सीधा खड़ा रहना, सीधा बैठ जा.
Sir,
हिलता तो रहेगा पूरा, ये नहीं कि रख दे मोबाइल को एक जगह. यस. अरे अब
sir, अब आ रही है?
हाँ, आ रही है.
Sir, which car do you like?
यार any car यार, which have 4 wheels and which has any roof and that looks like a car. I like that car. Yes. Do you like cars?
Yes, sir.
Which is your favorite car?
Yes, sir.
Which is your
Sir, Tesla.
sorry?
Sir, Tesla.
Tesla. Oh, Tesla. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. Would you like to buy Tesla?
Yes, sir.
When?
Sir, when are we go?
When?
When are bigger?
When I will grow.
Sir, when? Yes, sir.
You know what is the cost of Tesla?
No, sir.
Okay. Yes, come on. Now ask you.
Sir, how many people live in your house?
8. Right now 7. And where are you right now?
Sir, on my new house.
On my new house? At my new house?
Sir, on.
Okay, who is
Please,
there with
sir,
you?
at.
Okay, time is over. Nice. Shabash. Now, Kiran.
Yes, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, beta. Thank you. And you?
I am always fine.
Shabash, beta. ऑलवेज फाइन, अरे वाह क्या बात है। मजा आ गया सुन के, ऑलवेज फाइन, शाबाश, यस
Do you read newspaper daily?
यस यस।
Do you like Jawar Circle?
I like Jawar Circle very much. I have very deep and old relation with Jawar Circle. When it was not in the form of a garden, I know that place since then. Yes,
What is your hobby?
my hobby is not any special hobby, but watching television, driving, visiting different places. If I have money, if I have time. And you, what is your favorite thing? Matlab, that you like to do?
My hobby is singing song,
Very good.
decoration,
So
decoration.
will you sing a song for us sometime? Not now. Would you like to sing a song for us?
Sir, Khatu Shyam Ji song.
नहीं, would you like to sing a song for us? क्या आपको अच्छा लगेगा हमारे लिए कोई एक गाना गाओगे आप? Would you like? क्या आपको अच्छा लगेगा to sing a song, एक गाना गाना
Yes,
for us?
yes, sir.
Okay, when? Okay. Very good girl. But someday we will definitely listen to your song. Okay. Do you go to
Okay,
Khatu
sir.
Shyam ji?
Yes, sir.
When? मतलब how often? कितनी बार जाते हो? Month, once in a month, once a month, twice a month, or how long? How many times?
One,
Once a month. महीने में एक बार.
नहीं 1 year.
ओके, वंस
एक
अ
बार.
ईयर, इस साल में एक बार, वंस अ ईयर, वेरी गुड। ओके बेटा, नाइस। आज तो अच्छा, तुम्हारा घबराहट कम दिखाई दे रही थी मेरे को तुम्हारे चेहरे पे। घबराहटे से कुछ नहीं होता बेटा, है ना। आप ऐसे ही सीखते हैं बेटा अपन। एकदम से परफेक्ट कोई भी नहीं हो सकता दुनिया के अंदर, ऐसे ही गिरते पड़ते लुढ़कते हुए। जैसे हमने चलना सीखा था ना, जब हमने चलना सीखा तो एकदम दौड़ने लग गए थे क्या हम? खट से पैदा
No,
हुए
sir.
और बस दौड़ने लग गए, ऐसे हुआ था क्या?
No, sir.
हैं, उठना भी नहीं जाता था, पड़े रहते थे। आपको स्टेप याद करना, पहले पड़े रहते थे, फिर आपको सीधा पटका जाता था, फिर आपको उल्टा पटका जाता था, ऐसे पटक के रखा जाता था आपको, आपको और हमको सबको। बाद में फिर बैठाना सिखाया, बैठाना सिखाया, तकिए लगा दिया करते थे चारों तरफ, बैठ जाओ महाराज। फिर तकिए हटाने लग गए साइडों में से, धीरे धीरे, भैया थोड़ा सा हिलने दो इसको अब। तब जा करके फिर गिरते थे, बैठ भी नहीं पाते थे। धीरे धीरे फिर आप ऐसे घिसड़ने लगे, चलने लगे, तब जा करके आज दौड़ पाते हो। तो एवरीथिंग, एवरी ग्रेट थिंग टेक्स टाइम। शाबाश, वेरी गुड किरण, कीप इट अप बेटा। खुशी मीणा?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा।
How are you?
आई एम फाइन बेटा, थैंक यू। एंड व्हाट अबाउट यू?
I am also fine, sir.
वेरी गुड।
Do you go to school to teach?
नो, नॉट नाउ।
Why?
एक्चुअली द एनवायरनमेंट ऑफ स्कूल इज नॉट गुड यार।
Okay, sir. How do you eat chapati in daily?
हाउ? विद माय हैंड्स? कुछ और पूछ लिया? हाँ, घबरा मत बिल्कुल भी, फोकस करके रख। गलत हो तो भी टेंशन मत कर, गिरेंगे पड़ेंगे लुढ़केंगे, उठ करके दौड़ना सीख जाएंगे अपन।
Okay, sir. Which vegetable do you like?
ऑल वेजिटेबल्स, दे मस्ट हैव स्पाइसेस।
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
How long you sleep?
About 6 hours, 10 hours, 6 7 hours. And how long do you sleep?
8 hours.
8 hours. Very good. You know very well what is the importance of sleeping. You know more than me. Huh? Very good. Shabash. And how long do you study?
4 hours.
Very good.
About 4
Very
hours.
good. Shabash. What time do you get up, beta?
At 7.
Do you like it? On Sunday?
Why, sir?
On Sunday, when do you get up?
Sunday. Same time, 7
Same
at
time.
7.
Okay, very good. Very good. Do you play any games?
No, sir.
You must play
Right.
any game that you like. It is necessary for us. Do you take any exercise?
No, sir.
Do you walk?
No.
Maintain your physical health. Okay, shabash. Nice conversation. Keep it up, beta. Very good.
Okay.
Yes, now Kiran Kushi. Anuj.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta.
How are you, sir?
Fine, beta. Thank you. And you?
Sir, fine.
Very good.
Sir, you have told us you have watched Chhawa movie recently.
Hmm.
So where did you watch it?
इसमें what is this? EP Entertainment Paradise. Near
Okay,
Jawan
sir.
Circle.
Okay, sir.
It
And
was
with
the Monday.
whom
My
did
my
you?
children insisted me to go there, so I had
Okay,
to
sir.
go there. Though I like movies too much, I like to watch movies too much. But
Yes,
now
sir.
it becomes too long time for me to go there. But earlier, before marriage, I used to go there every week. Yeah, I would like too much watching movies in theaters. Yes, come on. And do you like movies?
Yes, sir.
Where do you like to watch them, in theater or in TV?
Sir, in TV.
In TV. So have you seen the Rajmandir Cinema Hall of Jaipur? That is so popular
No,
and famous in all the world.
no, sir. I am thinking to go to watch a recent movie, Maha Avatar Narsimha.
Is this
Sorry.
movie running in that theater?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think this is any South movie.
No, sir. This is upon Lord Narsimha. So this it is a Bollywood type movie, we
Who
can
is the
say.
hero of this movie, beta?
Sir, it is an animation movie.
Okay, okay,
So the Lord is performing in this movie.
okay, okay. Very good, Shabash. Very good.
Sir, you should watch it.
Yes, I will. Definitely, I will try to watch it. When are you going?
Sir, weekends on weekends.
Okay, okay, okay. Nice conversation, beta. Nice interaction with you. Thank you very much, beta. Keep it up. सब लोग
Thank
सुनो
you, sir.
ध्यान से कैसे होता है कन्वर्सेशन ऐसे होता है ये सिखा रहा हूं मैं आपको ठीक है ना मुझे नहीं कन्वर्सेशन करना है आपको करना है एक दूसरे के साथ में अभी तो मैं आपको सिखा रहा हूं आप खुद अपने आप को इन्वॉल्व करके इसमें कि देखो ऐसे होता है ये ऐसे खाली सुनना ही सुनना नहीं है बीच बीच में अपनी बात भी कहनी है अपनी बातें भी करनी है बस दो चार बार ऐसे करोगे तो फिर अपने आप होने लग जाएगा फिर ये अपना ह्यूमन माइंड होता है ना ये ऐसा ही होता है सो नाउ आई थिंक प्रियंका प्रियंका
Yes, sir.
कहाँ है प्रियंका दिखती नहीं है बहुत मुश्किल
How
से
are you?
आई एम फाइन बेटा थैंक यू एंड यू
I'm fine.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड
Is your birthday?
सॉरी
When is your birthday?
माय बर्थडे
Yes.
व्हाट विल यू डू
How old are you?
आई एम आई विल कंप्लीट 57
Okay. What is your favorite flower?
फ्लावर रोज
Okay.
रेड रोज एंड
How long?
यस
मुझे
नो यस कम ऑन डू यू लाइक रोजेस
how? Yes, sir.
डू यू लाइक रोज
Yes.
which color of rose do you like
Um. Sorry, sir.
which color of rose
Red.
red rose very good shabash yes
How long take your online class?
how long do you take your online class about 3.5 hours
Okay. Uh, what do you favorite place?
what is your favorite place
What
my
is
most
your
favorite
favorite?
place is my home where I live freely anywhere I can go up down here where there anywhere yes and which is your favorite place
Um,
My favorite place in Agra.
Agra.
Yes.
You know what is there in Agra?
Yes, sir.
There are
Sapna
two
hai jaan.
things. There are two famous things in Agra.
Yes.
Do you know which?
Um. And other.
Other kya? What is other? Time is over.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
मैंने लिंक भेजा कि नहीं भेजा? छोरे छोरे आए नहीं? ये क्या हुआ? 1 मिनट रुकना भी जरा. अरे यार मैं क्या क्या भेज देता हूँ समझ में नहीं आता यार. अरे यार मेरा भी दिमाग खराब हो गया आज. लिंक भेजना चाहता हूँ और कुछ और भेज देता हूँ. 1 मिनट रुको बेटा जरा. एक जना और है मेरे ख्याल से, बाकी सबका हो गया. Yes, now I think this is the turn of अनवी. तुम्हारा हुआ नहीं अभी? अनवी. अनवी.
सर हो गया, उसने दोबारा डाल दिया था नाम.
अच्छा सिमरन दोबारा बोलना है बेटा? दोबारा करना है क्या?
Yes, sir.
यस बोल बेटा.
सर अगली बार कर लूँ, कोई बात नहीं.
चल बेटा कोई बात नहीं. ओके, आई थिंक ऑल हैव टेकन देयर टर्न. थैंक यू वेरी मच.